Welcome to LearnQ.AI. In this video, we're exploring one of the most powerful tools by LearnQ.AI, the Analytics Dashboard. This feature is crucial for both students and teachers. It provides a comprehensive overview of your progress, identifying areas for improvement, and refining your study strategies. It's not just about tracking scores, it's about understanding your strengths and weaknesses in detail so you can make data driven decisions to boost your SAT performance. Now, why does this matter? Many students struggle to improve their SAT score because they don't take time to analyze their mistakes and correct them. Without this critical analysis, you risk becoming proficient at making the same errors repeatedly. Now let's dive into the key components of the LearnQ Analytics Dashboard. First, let's click on the Diagnostic tab. Here in Score Analysis, you'll see a graph that compares your scores from multiple diagnostic tests. This visual representation highlights your highest scores, overall improvements, and percentile range. It provides a clear view of how well you are advancing and helps you pinpoint where you need more focus. The LQ Mastery Score displays your mastery score across different subjects from various diagnostic tests. This graph compares your performance in each subject. You can identify trends in your proficiency levels and figure out which subject requires more attention. Top 3 strengths and weaknesses highlights your top 3 areas of strengths and weakness based on your diagnostic test. Knowing where you excel and where you struggle allows you to better target your study efforts. List of tests with results allows you to review the test of all your diagnostic tests in one place. It provides detailed performance data showing you progress and pinpointing areas for improvement over time. In the Play tab, the Games feature tracks how many practice games you've won versus how many you've played. It's a great way to gauge your consistency and proficiency across different topics. Time trained monitors the total time spent practicing, ensure that you're dedicating enough time to each subject. This is crucial for improving your SAT skills. Streak section shows you streaks of consecutive correct answers. A longer streak indicates a stronger grasp of the material and more consistent performance. Questions metric analyzes the number of correctly answered questions versus the total questions attempted. This gives you insight into your accuracy and your progress in mastering various topics. Time management and areas of weakness feature examines how you manage your time across different subjects. This also identifies areas where you may need improvement. The LQ Mastery Score and Areas of Weakness is similar to the Diagnostic tab. This section shows your mastery score and highlights areas that need more focus based on your practice games. Accuracy Analytics and Areas of Weakness feature tracks your accuracy across different subjects. This helps you pinpoint where you need to put in extra effort based on your performance. List of all test results is a comprehensive list of practice test results, including mastery score and details on games won and lost. It's perfect for understanding performance trends and identifying areas for improvement. Next, let's click on the Full Length tab. Firstly, we'll see a graph comparing DSAT score. The graph compares your score across multiple full-length tests, giving you a clear picture of your overall progress and consistency over time. With the LQ Mastery Score, you can view your mastery score in different subjects across all full-length tests. It's a valuable tool for tracking your proficiency and improvement in each area. The top 3 strengths and weaknesses is the feature that identifies your top strengths and weaknesses based on full-length test results. It helps you focus your study efforts on the areas that need most attention. The Test Results section provides a detailed review of your test results from each full-length test. This includes performance insights and areas for further study. In summary, the LearnQ Analytics Dashboard isn't just a feature, it's a guide to study smarter and more efficiently for the SAT. Make sure you're taking full advantage of this LearnQ tool to achieve your best possible SAT score. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and join our Discord community from the link in the description for more SAT prep tips.